Hello, I am Manouche from Zabulon. You are not alone. Well, you're alone. Geez, look at this place. Have you ever heard of a mop? But I mean humans in general. They're not alone. I've traveled 3,000 light years to find my son, Steve Tyler from Aerosmith. Do you know him? His mother is very sick and I need to take him home so she can see him for one last time. Please, I need to find my son, Steve Tyler from Aerosmith, and I'd like to probe your rectum. Partly for research, but mostly because I'd like to probe your rectum.